Friends, this World Environment Day 2021 begins the decade of ecosystem restoration. Throughout my life, I have been influenced by this very thought of Mahatma Gandhi that the earth, the air, the land, and the water are not an inheritance from our forefathers but on loan from children. So we have to be handed over to them at least as it was handed over to us. There is a sufficiency in the world for man's need, but not for man's greed. Let's reimagine, recreate, restore farmlands for healthy and nutritious food, mountains, oceans, peatlands, and cities, and our freshwater ecosystem, which are imperative to sustain life. For every dollar invested in restoration, at least $7 to $30 in the return for society can be expected. Restoration creates jobs in rural areas where they are most needed. Friends, do you realize that too long we have been exploiting and degrading our planet's resources like air, land, and water, which is not a mere sector but a connector? Every 3 seconds, the world loses enough forest to cover a football pitch, and over the last century, we have destroyed half our wetlands. Even if the global warming is limited to an increase of 1.5 centigrade, ecosystem loss is depriving the world of the carbon sinks like forest, peatlands, at a time humanity can least afford it. I think that's why now we are all aware that we have a window of opportunity for green recovery from the pandemic. We need solutions that have green strings attached. But we doing enough, or the government taking those measures to stimulate a green recovery? Most of us understand the situation we are in our man-made crises, which are affecting all of us, like climate change, nature and biodiversity loss, health and environmental pollution, devastating COVID-19 pandemic, in obviously closely linked to these crises and our unsustainable consumption and production, which is undermining and human existence. Having said that, I also seen sign of hope and solidarity among all of us. People are committing themselves to responsible consumption. As we saw during the lockdown, they are striving to prevent and tackle climate catastrophes, to overcome these challenges and to heal the impact of COVID virus. We must work together. We did during lockdown, where the worst situation brought out the best in people. We must start by rebuilding our relations with nature, promoting healthy and restored forest, rejuvenated water bodies, reclaiming our degraded lands, having to future strongly if we wish to breathe clean, fresh air, having healthy and nutritious diet and safe drinking water. Don't you think? To achieve the target to net zero emissions and climate carbon neutrality by 2050, and to achieve the sustainable development goal by 2030, the individuals, government, cities, business, all must be part of the larger coalition to achieve a broader objective.